Well, into the chippy. Chips and gravy. Bloody hell. £3 this was. Chips are £2 now. Gravy, it's just a bit of gravy, £1. What a rip-off. Right then. Oh, watch the pedals. Well, that's better. Let's have a lights on. Camera, action. Fucking hell. A bit wet, isn't it? Verdict. Nothing special. Telling the truth. It's very rare I go to Chippies. This is why, because it's boring food. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head and he didn't get up in the morning. Gravy's alright. It's hot. About £3, you know. Not sure if it's worth £3. It's too mature anyway. I have to bin off of it. Raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and didn't get up in the morning. Good on him. If he didn't get up in the morning, he probably had to lie in, or he is dead. Probably dead, doesn't he? If he bumped his head, he is probably dead. But what's rain got to do with it? He's snoring in the rain, he's inside, isn't he? It doesn't make sense, that, does it? Then he bumped his head and what? Then he's dead? What the hell's going on? He's dead? Bloody Nora. Well, not bump my head. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. If he's snoring, then he went to bed, does it make sense? He's snoring, he went to bed. Oh, how can he go to bed if he's snoring? He's asleep. That doesn't make sense at all, that. No sense at all. Looks at the menu, it said one size, £2. Yeah, I can't do £1's worth. Just making you spend more money, aren't I? He bumped his head and didn't get up in the morning. If he didn't get up in the morning, he bumped his head, he's dead. Flaming hell. Who wrote this rubbish? I like driving in the rain. Such fun, isn't it? Actually, I'm quite enjoying it a bit now I'm getting into it. And at night, more fun there like this. Missed it up again. Fan on. Warp factor 12! Yeah, around the corner. Hey, look, puddle here. These bastards. Get off the side of the road. The puddle's on the other side of the road, sadly. Might get one here. Is this one up here? No.